Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can find your wallet ID on Binance for any cryptocurrency. It's really fast and easy, and first of course what you need to do here is to log into your account, and once you're logged in, then you need to press on wallet here, and then you need to press hover your mouse on fiat and spot. So press on it, then you will be redirected to another page here. You need to wait for a few seconds until the page boots up. As you can see here, it's loading, and when it loads up, then you need to press on deposit button here, and again we need to wait for a few seconds here, and after the page loads up, I will show you the next step. So now, as you can see here, fiat is selected, so we need to select crypto. Again, we need to wait for a few seconds here, and once you selected a crypto, then what you need to do here, you need to select the coin, and for example I will select Ethereum, and when you select Ethereum or other cryptocurrency, you should see your wallet ID here, and you can copy here. And for example, let's look for another like Bitcoin, and when you select the Bitcoin, you will find your Bitcoin wallet ID here. All right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.